Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. I hope you are doing well. I bought new electric blue 3-piece hard shell luggage suitcase set. It's crafted to cater to various travel needs, providing a comprehensive solution for different trips length and packaging requirements. Choosing a set with these three size offers versatility, ensuring you have right suitcase for different travel solution and requirements. The 28-inch large suitcase is designed for extended trips and offer generous packaging space. The 24-inch medium-sized suitcase is versatile, suitable for short trips. Despite its small size, the 20-inch smaller suitcase offers enough space for essential and is suitable for short trips or as a convenient carry-on bag. Made of ABS plastic, a sturdy and lightweight plastic known for its impact resistance. We're going to unbox this and see what is inside. I like the color. I'll see what it looks like. With extended handle. And you can lock it with zip. This is the medium size one. This is the medium size. And this one is the carry-on luggage. And this is the wheels for the main one. See what it looks like with strap inside. So got plenty of space. I'm gonna put this one. See what it looks like. And to put the wheel. So if you want to put the wheel, just need to press this lock, push it inside, then put on the wheel. It's in. Do the same thing to this one. Then do the same thing to this one. And also the zip. You can lock the zip with key combination. Just need to pull the zip lock, pull it out. So the zip is inside. Once they are in, you can use the number combination to lock it. This is the second one. See what it looks like. Very nice, beautiful color. Let me know what you think about this unboxing. I thought to show you what this suitcase looks like. And yeah, very much happy with it. I like the color. Can pull this out. Easy to maneuver. So this can go to where? This is the first one, second one. Very sturdy, easy maneuverability. All right, they deserve your attention. Please, while you are here, like, share, and subscribe. It helps the channel. Thank you.